bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to share this MemoryDex card with you today. So this is my project for the Facebook group Loaded Envelope Galore and More. I was asked to host the swap for the month of April 2021, and so this is my project. And if you haven't checked out the Facebook group, I'll put a link in the description box below, and it would be great if you could join us for this swap, and if not this one, then maybe the next one. So go ahead and check it out. Anyway, I thought this was a perfect project for spring and for Mother's Day coming up, and so I'll go ahead and show you a little bit in detail more about the little box I made. So this started out as a pop-up card designed by Lori Whitlock, so I'll put a link as well to that SVG file, and I have converted it into a box, and so I do have a tutorial, and so I will link that below as well. I've used the Graphic 45 Floral Shop collection, and I know I went very literal with the theme, but I can see all the possibilities of creativity that you can do with this project, and so I cannot wait to see what all the participants of the swap create. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And so I've also used some of the ephemera for the little signs on my cart, and I got this little ticket here, and it says happiness blooms from within. I think that's just really cute. And then I've got these chipboard pieces glued back to back for the top sign here. I've added some gold trim along the edge here. And then these cute little butterflies from Renee Bouquets. The wheels I have layered with a few pieces of paper to give them some dimension. And I think this is really fun. I've used a straw in between here to make the handlebar. And then this little dangle here is held on with a dragonfly brad. In the box is a bunch of little mini roses and flowers from Renee Bouquets. I did create a false bottom for the box so that, you know, it gives the appearance of the box being completely filled, but it's just an illusion, and it's very easy to do. I'll show you that in the tutorial. And of course it's on this little stand here, so it will fit in some kind of a MemoryDex holder. Okay, so I hope that you join us for the swap, and if not, I hope you just create your own, and it would be a nice little gift. If you don't want it on a MemoryDex stand or holder, then you just do not have to add that piece on, and it will stand up as a cute little decorative piece, or maybe even you can use it as a little gift box. So lots of possibilities. I'm excited about this project. I'm excited to host the swap, so make sure that you check out the tutorial and the Facebook page, and I hope that you'll be participating with us. So thank you so much for watching, and I would appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join me for my upcoming projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.